Scaling your business with ThriveCart, advanced features and strategies for high-volume sales. Reaching new heights, scaling your business with ThriveCart's advanced features. As your digital product empire rises, you need tools that can grow alongside you. ThriveCart isn't just for startups, it packs a punch for established businesses too, offering advanced features and strategies to handle high-volume sales and navigate explosive growth. Here's what ThriveCart brings to the table for ambitious entrepreneurs. 1. Performance and scalability. ThriveCart's infrastructure is built for heavy traffic. Handle massive sales spikes without worrying about downtime or bottlenecks. Seamless integrations with industry-leading payment gateways ensure secure and reliable transactions, even with a global audience. Advanced caching and optimization techniques deliver lightning-fast page load times, keeping your customers' experience smooth and efficient. 2. Automation and workflows. Take repetitive tasks off your plate with powerful automation. Schedule product launches, trigger personalized email sequences, and manage customer segments automatically. Create multi-step funnels with conditional logic to customize the customer journey based on their behavior and preferences. Connect ThriveCart with your existing CRM, email marketing platform, and other tools to create a seamless, automated workflow for managing high-volume sales. 3. Advanced customer management. Segment your audience based on detailed criteria like purchase history, engagement levels, and demographics. Tailor your communication and offers for maximum impact. Implement tiered loyalty programs to reward your most valuable customers and incentivize repeat purchases. Use advanced reporting and analytics tools to gain in-depth insights into customer behavior, identify growth opportunities, and optimize your sales strategy. 4. Enterprise-grade security. ThriveCart takes data security seriously. PCI compliance, data encryption, and fraud prevention measures keep your customers' information safe and secure. Regular security audits and penetration testing ensure your platform is always protected against evolving threats. 5. Strategic partnerships and integrations. ThriveCart partners with leading industry players to offer additional features and services like custom development, marketing automation tools, and advanced analytics platforms. Integrate seamlessly with a wide range of third-party tools to build the perfect tech stack for your specific needs. Remember, scaling your business isn't just about throwing more sales at the wall. ThriveCart empowers you to handle high-volume growth with intelligent automation, targeted workflows, and advanced data-driven strategies. Beyond the features, ThriveCart fosters a community of ambitious entrepreneurs. Access exclusive training resources, networking opportunities, and expert support to learn best practices, share experiences, and navigate the challenges of explosive growth. With ThriveCart as your partner, you can confidently scale your digital product empire to new heights, knowing you have the tools and support to conquer every challenge along the way. Here are some additional benefits of using ThriveCart for scaling your business. Cost-effective pricing plans, scales with your business needs, ensuring you only pay for the features you use. Dedicated account management, receive personalized support and guidance from experienced professionals. Continuous product development, ThriveCart is constantly evolving and adding new features to stay ahead of the curve. Ready to reach your full potential? Unleash the power of ThriveCart's advanced features and strategies and propel your business into the stratosphere. I hope this elaboration gives you a clear picture of how ThriveCart can help you scale your digital product business to new heights. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any further questions.